Hi guys, this is Ashley and today we'll be doing lesson 2 of the worksheet. So the example says use separate cubes to show that 110 equals 10 ones. Count the cubes and join them together and hold them up as 110. Okay, so basically these smiley faces equal 1 and then these entire boxes of smiley faces are 10. So if there's 2 10s, it would be 20. And if you didn't know, if you just add a 0 at the end to 2, it would be 20. So there's that. So question 1. So if we know that this one group is 10, and then so we can count by tens. So it would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So and we know this because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So there will be 4 10s and 40 ones. Okay, this next one. So even though they're aligned in a line like this, there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. So there's 10 of these mini stars, and there's one big group. So that means there's only 1 10 and 10 ones. Okay. We're just going to be doing one more. So now we know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So that means there are 5 10s. And the little shortcut I showed you, you can just add a 0 to the end of the number. So it would be 5, 0, which means 50 ones. Okay. So I think we can just do 4 and 5 while we're at it. So 4, 5. So again, there's 1, 2, 3 groups. So there's 3 10s. And just add a 0 to the 3. So 3, 0, 31s. Okay. Now for question 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. So there'd be 6 10s, and then you add a 0, so 60 ones. Okay, circle the value of the blue digit. So example, how many groups of 10 are in the number 64? So 6 groups of 10. And you know this because this first number is 6. And this equals 10s. So basically, I'll give you an example like 24. 24, the first number would be the 10s, so this would be 20, and the second number is the ones, so this is just 4, so 20 plus 4 is 24. So question 1. So 7 and 3. So because the second number is the one that is in blue, that means it will be 3. And for number 2, because the first number is the one in blue, we would circle 50. The one with the 0 at the end is the 10. So, and then this one again, because it's the second number, it would be 8. And one more example, because this first number is the blue digit, it would be 70. Okay. Now to word problems. Okay, number 1. David has 18 comic books. Samantha has 9 comic books. How many more does David have? So how many more usually means it will be, this means it would be subtraction or minus, if you will. Okay, so David has 18, Samantha has 9. So how many more does David have? So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So David has 9 more comic books than Samantha. Okay, question 2. Haley has 2 sets of baseball cards. There are 10 cards in one set and 7 cards in the other set. How many cards does she have in all? So when we see the words in all, that would mean that this question is you add. So do 10, then plus 7, and that is equal to 17. So Haley has 17 cards in total. Okay, question 3. Nathan has 14 golf balls. Evan has 20 golf balls. Nathan gives 4 golf balls to Evan. How many golf balls does each person have now? So this one's a little bit more complicated. So Nathan, so I'm going to put Nathan in green. So Nathan has 14 golf balls. So there's 14. Evan has 20. So he will be red. Evan has 20. Nathan gives. So if he gave, that means he would have less to Evan. And because Evan got 4 more, that means he would have more. So because Evan gave 4, you would subtract 4 from Evan's balls, and you would add 20 to Evan because this 4 is given to Evan. So 14 minus 4 is 10, and 20 plus 4 is 24. So that means Nathan has 10 golf balls and Evan has 24. Okay, last question. Polly has 1 dime, which is 10 cents, a nickel, which is 5 cents, and a penny, which is 1 cent. So how much money does she have? Well, because they already told us what each one represents, you just add these up. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal. So because there's 3, you can just you can make it easier and just add 2 before. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So and then you would bring this 10 down. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So she now has 60 cents total.